If we talk about gasoline versions, these are aspirated, 1.5, 109 horsepower, 1.6, 117 horsepower, 1.8, 143 horsepower, and 2.0, 150 horsepower, as well as the current for American cars 2.4, 168 horsepower. Engines 1.5 and 1.6 are considered not the best options for purchase, and not only because of their modest traction and power capabilities. They are known for increased consumption of engine oil due to waste. The reason is coked oil scraper rings. The oil burn begins after 100,000 kilometers and requires control by the owner, otherwise there is a high risk of getting into rotating bearings. It is best to look at versions with engines 1.8, 2.0 and 2.4. The difference between them is in efficiency and fuel consumption. In terms of reliability, they are approximately comparable. The chain drive has a resource of no less than 150,000 kilometers. There are cases when calm drivers reached up to 300,000. There are no hydraulic compensators, so the thermal clearances of the valves will need to be adjusted periodically. Also, you should not skimp on the quality of oil and service intervals, including in order not to shorten the life of the phase shifters. Among the shortcomings, we can note the short-lived belt rollers of the attachments. They are made of plastic and last 70 to 80,000 kilometers, and in a 2.0-liter engine, with runs over 100,000 kilometers, the crankshaft oil seal can become snotty. Around the same time, the speed begins to fluctuate due to a clogged throttle valve. But there are no problems with hardware, and the service life easily exceeds 250 to 300,000 kilometers, which is a very decent figure in modern times. I have good news for you. Now, if you are planning to buy a used car, or learn more about your car, you no longer need to search for the information you need on the internet. We have collected everything in one place for you, on the website carmi.pro. Here you can find out everything about the car, what brakes and at what mileage, any problems with engines, chassis or gearboxes, which trim levels are better not to mess with, and how not to lose money buying a used car. You will learn all this on carm.pro. Diesel versions were also offered for Europe, initially with a 2.0-liter Volkswagen engine, 140 horsepower, and then with a 1.84 N1 engine of our own production, 116 horsepower. The latter is not very familiar to our craftsmen, but judging by the reviews of owners here and in Europe, the main issues that arise after 150 to 200,000 kilometers are replacing the timing chain, problems with the EGR valve and particulate filter. That is, everything is like other modern diesel engines. The same can be said about the 2.0-liter German engine. It is curious that Lancer had a fairly wide range of boxes. True, their choice was limited, since the type and version of the box depended on the engine. Let's say, the ancient but strong 4-speed automatic F4A was installed with 1.5 and 1.6 engines, and in terms of reliability it will be even better than the not very durable manual. But in the case of larger engines, on the contrary, a manual transmission is better. More reliable manual transmission modifications were used. Therefore, the alternative is the Jatco JF011E variator. At one time we talked about this box in great detail, so let's repeat the main points. On average, a belt lasts 150 to 200,000 kilometers. Although a careful owner who changes the oil at least every 40,000 kilometers and does not load the box can increase this mileage by 1.5 times. The main thing is not to delay the replacement, so that you don't have to spend money on pulley cones. Known weak points of the Jatco JF011E are the shaft bearings, the oil pump pressure reducing valve, the step motor responsible for the position of the cones, as well as its drive rod. In any case, the consequences are the same. The pulley cones remain in one position, which is tantamount to the freezing of the box in the current gear. A version with an automatic transmission, whether automatic or CVT, requires diagnostics before purchase, and during operation a lot depends on the driving style and maintenance intervals of the unit. The front is McPherson, the rear is multi-link suspension. but only the stabilizer links last less than 100,000 kilometers. Although early versions were also noted for the short service life of the shock absorbers. Now that cars are aged, the condition of the chassis largely depends on the care of the previous owners and the quality of the spare parts used. In principle, the available choice of license allows you to keep the chassis in working order for relatively little money, although even a serviceable suspension can hardly be called comfortable and quiet in operation, which is especially obvious against the backdrop of poor sound insulation. Steering ends are considered short-lived. Their service life on our roads is about 60,000 kilometers. Some versions have classic power steering, and there may be problems with oil leakage from the high-pressure line. With age, problems with brakes appear. The pistons and guides of the rear mechanisms begin to jam, so timely replacement of the fluid and periodic checking of the boots are strongly recommended. Despite formally belonging to the Lancer family, this car should still be considered separately, if only because it has completely different positioning and pricing, and as a result, a completely different buyer. It is clear that the level of operating costs is also fundamentally different. This applies to both fuel consumption and maintenance, as well as the cost of original spare parts, and the current state of the machines offered for sale should be considered individually. Too much depends on how these machines were modified and how exactly they traveled, because often their habitat was not city streets, but sports tracks. If you need a more detailed story about the possible shortcomings of the model, you can read it here. Quite frankly, the car does not rot, and in terms of corrosion resistance it looks better than its predecessors. But we must take into account the effect of a low base, because old Mitsubishi are still rotten. The body is galvanized, but the thin and delicate paintwork does not withstand minor mechanical damage very well. During operation, chips appear quite quickly, which bloom over time. If the owners of new cars pay close attention to the body, then as the car ages and loses value, the attitude towards it usually changes, so that the neglected appearance is no longer an exception to the rule. The leading edges of the hood and roof and rear arches suffer. It is also worth inspecting the underbody and side members. As a rule, after a few winter seasons the trunk lock cylinder turns sour. As mentioned above, interior finishing and upholstery materials are inexpensive, and this is reflected in their appearance after several years of operation. However, everything is quite reliable, and the malfunctions are not systemic in nature. But troubles with functional equipment, power windows, air conditioning or climate control, rear view camera, still sometimes happen, usually due to loss of contacts.